So I just bought my dream camera today, and it's the DJI Osmo Action 5. Hello everyone, my name is Hero and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is a dream camera of mine since I was a kid. About 7 years ago, a close friend of mine introduced me to an action camera, and I believe it was the GoPro Hero 4. I'll put a photo right here so you can get an idea of what the GoPro would look like. I instantly just fell in love with it. It's always been a dream of mine since that time to actually own one, but I never really have a reason to buy it. I know it's gonna be worth it. I know I can do a lot with it, but as of now, let's go unbox this. The box is still sealed, so this is gonna be a first experience for me, and let's go unbox this together. This is gonna be an authentic experience because I'm so excited to open this right now, man. So this is the DJI Action 5. I only have this knife, so don't mind it. As we can see, this is the box for the DJI Osmo Action. So I'm gonna open it right now. Oh my god. Ooh. So we have two boxes. One is the accessory. Another one is the Osmo Action 5. Let's take out the DJI Osmo Action 5 first. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. So we got a case. All right. What is this? This is the DJI, man. Oh my god. Bro, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is the Action 5 right here. All right, let's pull off the seal. One of the best thing about this camera is that it has two screens, one in the front, one in the back, and they both are OLED display. It displays a very good contrast as well as amazing color and brightness. The build, it's like very solid. So you open this, you have the battery slot right here. The sensor is about 1/1.3 inches and the aperture around 2.8. The field of view is 150 degrees. Just keep it here. Let's open some more. So in this bag right here, we have the case for the Osmo Action 5. Oh my god, it's a solid case. It's actually so good. All right, let's open this up. This is the locking pin. Beautiful. Two of them right here. We also have, this is the curved mount. Maybe you can put it on anything that is curved, like motorcycle helmet or anything. In the second box, we also have the accessory box. There's something in the bag as well. Like, hold up. Before we get into that accessory bag, we also have a 1.5 meter extension rod right here. I'm gonna open it real quick. Oh, everything feels so solid right now, bro. I really love this. I really do. All right, let's move on to the accessory box. What's this inside right here? Ooh. We have a bunch of stuff inside the accessory box. Look at it. Okay, we have a mini mount. Beautiful. This is magnetic. Super solid. This is magnetic too. So like, oh my god, it's so strong. Ooh, so strong. All right. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is a USB Type-C. What is this? Ooh, we also have something DJI. And just so you know, this video is not sponsored by DJI or anything. It's just my personal review. I bought this with my own money, and everything about this is so beautiful. And the next thing that I'm opening up currently, this is the battery pack, which I love so much, man. So this is the battery. I love it. Look, we have 3 battery. The battery life, they said it can last about 4 hours. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5. This is what in the box. If you want to see a video of me testing out this camera, give it a like or subscribe. Give me your thought in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.